Hey guys, so let's go through and I'm going to show you how to add a table in Desmos. So let's say that this is the function that we're looking at. Instead of calling it f of x, I called it y sub 1. That's the way I figured out how to add the table. Add table. Can I add it down here instead? Plus sign, add table. Write this as x. And change this to y sub 1. So if I asked you what's the limit of this function as x approaches -2, let's say -2, when you plug that in, that's undefined. So let's say -2.1, -2.01, -2.001, and then let's say -1.999, -1.99, -1.9. Notice you can plug in the values. Let's see if I can, and this one here, -2. So for homework, if they ask you specific x values, you can plug them in here. You have to label this chart your XY chart. This table, if you just plugged in some new, if you wanted to plug in random values, you could make the point 1, 4, and that's the green point right here. So in order for you to plug in x values and you get the y values to be in this equation, you have to set your equation to have the name y sub 1. That way you get the outputs. All of the points here on our graph, I'm going to delete this because I don't need that green point. If you zoom in to this value here, we're getting closer and closer and closer to the value -2. So you can add whatever values you want here. So I hope this helps. This was just a little demo to add a table and change your input values to see your limit as x approaches a specific value on a function. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I can always make another video. Thanks, guys.